So you're either going to say yes or no. Were they right, yes or no? Yes for, was the distribution not fair? Okay, not fair would be yes, and fair would be no. Okay, so were they right? Was the distribution unfair? 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Okay, excellent. So Dada, explain why. Because this is what I'm thinking. Okay, I'm looking at this problem and this is what I see. I have 4 students and we're giving them 3 subs. Okay, we have 8 students, we're giving them 7 subs. That's 1 less than the other group received. That seems fair to me. And then we have the third group, which has 8 students. The third group has 8 students, 7 subs, 1 less sub. Seems fair to me too. Actually, what I think is the only group that got shortchanged was the fourth, because there's 5 students, they got 3 subs. So why can't I say that the first 3 groups got shared equally? Why can't I say that? Continue, Dada.
The 4 groups didn't get the same. Don't have the same amount. They didn't get the same amount because they don't have the same number of students and they don't get the same number of sandwiches. So, for example, when I did number 1, I got 0 and 7/500 or 3/4, and each student got 3/4 of a sandwich. But that wouldn't be fair because the second group, they got 4/6 of a sandwich, which was 8/10 of a sandwich.
Excellent. And what about the other 2? How does that compare with the other 2 as well? Amelia.
The other 2 groups, well, first of all, I think it's fair because each group got 1 less sub. Each group got 1 less sub. So I think it's fair because none of the groups got 2 less subs than other groups.
Okay, so take a look at around the room. So apparently there's something a little bit off with our thinking. Okay, Gabby.
I disagree with you, Amelia. Not all of it is fair because each group got different pieces of sub. For example, the first one has 0 and 7/500, whereas the fourth group has 0 and 6/10.
You said that some groups don't have two less sandwiches than others, but the fourth group had 5 students and shared 3 sandwiches, and 3 is less than 5. 2 less than 5.
In the second group and the fourth group had the same number of students, but they didn't get the same number of subs or sandwiches. So that wouldn't be 1 less sandwich. So I disagree with your thinking, Amelia.